In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Moz Domain Authority. Whether you're a digital marketer, an SEO specialist, or simply a website owner curious about your site's standing, knowing your domain authority is crucial. It's a key factor in how search engines view the strength and credibility of your online presence. So, let's dive in and explore the straightforward steps to find this metric using Moz. First things first, open your web browser and head over to the Moz website. This is your primary gateway to accessing a suite of tools dedicated to SEO analysis. Once you've landed on the Moz homepage, you'll see a range of options, but for our purpose today, you'll want to focus on the left-hand side panel. Here, locate and click on the option labeled Domain Overview. This tool provides a wealth of information about your domain, including our main focus, domain authority. Now, in the search field that appears, type in the domain name you wish to check. Make sure you're accurate with the spelling to get precise results. After entering the domain, direct your attention to the Analyze button prominently displayed on the page. Clicking this button initiates the tool's assessment of the domain you've entered. It may take a few moments, so be patient as Moz compiles the data. Once the analysis is complete, you'll see a report displaying various metrics, starting with the domain authority score. This number, scored out of 100, reflects the overall authority of the domain based on its link profile and other relevant factors. The higher the score, the better the domain stands in terms of its ability to rank in search engine results. But there's more to explore here than just domain authority. Scroll down the page and you'll find additional metrics such as brand authority and page authority. These metrics give insight into how specific pages, as well as the brand itself, perform with respect to search engine rankings. For those who are keen on understanding long-term trends, Moz also offers a visual representation of metrics over time. This graph can be particularly useful if you're interested in tracking how the domain's authority has changed across weeks or months. Furthermore, explore sections like rankings and topics for insights into the domain's visibility across different search engines and how it fares with various keywords. A closer look at the ranking distribution gives you a sense of the domain's performance across a range of keyword positions. Finally, don't miss out on analyzing the top ranking keywords and competition overview, which helps in strategizing against competitors effectively. All these insights together provide a comprehensive view of where a domain stands and the strategic steps you might take to improve its status. So, make full use of these tools not only to check, but to enhance your domain's authority. That wraps up our tutorial on finding Moz Domain Authority today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more tools to outshine your competition in the digital space.